Number 6, Individual Day. This should be a day of peace and contentment, and you will enjoy it immensely if you just give in to the quiet impulses you will feel. Your home will be so much more important to you today, as will your family. 6 is the number of mankind, and all of your feelings will be thoughtful and generous as you strive to share them with those you love. They will welcome your eagerness to help shoulder their load and appreciate your kind offers to help. Forget about bills and expenses, for on a 6th day you will not want. Riches won't abound, but surely all you need will be forthcoming, as 6 falls under the protective force of adequate supply. Accept your responsibilities cheerfully, and you will find yourself enjoying doing whatever it is you must. No burden seems too heavy when it is lifted with a spirit of joyfulness and determination. Entertain in your home if possible, for your home will reverberate with your own particular charm and warmth. Since harmony and beauty will be outstanding in your heart on this lovely day, you are apt to make a more concerted effort to establish these qualities in your home, office, or other surroundings. Therefore, it's a good day for entertaining. If this cannot be done, get out with others or go to the homes of friends or your extended family. Bring some little gift that speaks of your appreciation of their relationship in your life. You will win hearts and new friends. Whatever bad spell you may have had will be put aside, and it is good for those you care for to see you in such a happy state of mind. Grudges should be forgotten, and an olive branch extended to anyone you have quarreled with. Since you may also have been at fault, your offer will be considered a gracious gesture, and an even stronger relationship can develop because of the respect you gain accordingly. Give some serious thought to registering for some course of study. Education is a strong vibratory power on a 6th day, and this is certainly the day to start the ball rolling. If you can't enroll in a regular course, take heed of everything around you, as life itself is an education, and the experiences we acquire are a lesson in themselves, if used to our advantage. Gardening is a study as well as a hobby, and can be most enlightening for those who are so inclined. Affection and love are strong within you, so if you are thinking of proposing or accepting a proposal, do it today. Present yourself in the best light possible and watch the stars shine in the eyes of your intended. Good luck.